Hey guys, Ride Pro back again with another bike for sale. This one's a 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100. Bike is essentially brand new. It has 27 miles on it. Owner bought it, parked it in the garage, and never rode it. Occasional startups here and there, keep the fluids running, but that's about it. This is going to be a great deal for someone looking for one of these because it'll be much cheaper than a new one, and it is still like new. No flaws on this bike, and like I said, 27 miles on it. I'm going to go ahead and start it for you. Starts right up. It is a carbureted bike. Excellent condition. Okay guys, if you're interested in this one, give us a call, 813-615-1700, or check out our website, www.myridepro.com. Thank you very much.